Hey, I'm going to show you guys how to trade cryptocurrency like a pro using technical analysis. We're going to go over technical analysis in a simple fashion. We're going to go over trend, support and resistance, price patterns, and the most popular indicators. Remember, trend is your friend. A coin or asset only goes up, down, or sideways. This is an uptrend consisting of consecutive higher highs and higher lows. This is a downtrend consisting of lower lows and lower highs. And this is Bitcoin trending sideways with pretty even lows and pretty even highs. We're going to go over support and resistance. We're going to look for multiple areas that touch, areas of strength, and change of polarity. Here you see an uptrend with support formed with multiple touch points. 1, 2, 3, 4. So this gives you awesome buying opportunities, and you know when this trend line breaks that it may be the end of the uptrend. And then we zoom out a little bit more and you can see that resistance was formed, so you can actually cover or sell short right here, and same thing here. And if we actually zoom out a little bit more on the same chart, you can see that the prior resistance turned in support. That's a change of polarity, and these are actually some of my favorite trading setups and are very profitable. As you can see, it launched upwards after. And this is Bitcoin again, and this is Scalper's Paradise, where it's just trending sideways. It's been trending for the last 70 days with pretty much even lows and pretty much even highs, giving you awesome buy and sell opportunities. Price patterns. So we're looking at either continuation patterns or reversal patterns. When price moves up so quickly, either up or down, it's not just going to move vertical like you see here, and it's just not going to keep moving up. It needs some breathing room. It needs to consolidate. It needs to just, take a breather or whatever you may call it for it to continue moving in the same direction, hence continuation pattern, continuation of the same trend. So you can see here that we moved up very quickly. We consolidated and chopped for a little bit, and then we moved up in the same direction. And that's the perfect example of a continuation pattern. And then this is a reversal pattern. So we see the previous trend right here, which is upwards. We make the first top here. We do a double top, and then we're actually moving in the opposite direction from the prior trend, which is now down. So now we're moving into indicators. The moving averages and RSI are some of the most popular indicators used every day. We're going to head on to TradingView, and I'm going to show you how to use both of them. Moving averages are the most used trading indicator from hedge fund and retail traders. You can come to tradingview.com and use moving averages and other indicators for free. After you've added your moving average, you can use it for multiple reasons. Moving averages help you identify the trend. They're used for support and resistance, and you can use multiple moving averages to form buy and sell signals. So here, you can see that it was used as support, 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 and then after it broke down. So when price it breaks through a moving average to the downside, that's a sell. When it breaks to the upside, that's a buy. Also take note, with moving averages pointing upwards or sloping upwards, the trend is in an upward trend. With a downward trend, the moving averages would be slightly slanted downwards or moving downwards in a lagging manner. So you can see here, after we broke down, we tested the resistance. We kept moving down, tested, broke down again. We broke above here and we started trending up, and then we broke back down and we came back down. And this was after the COVID March 2020 crash. We broke above the moving average and we've been just trending up above until the recent crash. And actually we're just above the moving average again here. So hopefully we can continue this bull run and Bitcoin can break all-time highs and start moving into price discovery mode. This is RSI. We're looking at Chainlink. RSI is a relative strength index which tracks the strength and momentum of a price, coin, asset, whatever it may be. So with RSI going under 30, you now have an oversold asset. When it is above 70, you have an overbought asset. So here I highlighted, you can see where we were oversold, and it would have been a great buying opportunity. You can see here as well, we were overbought, and then price started to come down. I also noted another place where we're oversold right here. This was after the crash, and then you can see it was very profitable, and it would have rewarded you handsomely if you bought that. We can go deeper into RSI, looking for convergences and divergences. So we're looking for, deviations from price and the RSI. And you can see here where price made a higher high while the RSI made a lower high, which is a divergence. And I also just saw the same one right here where we're making higher highs, higher high, higher high, higher high, while the RSI is making lows. You can see this was a high, low, low, and then we actually broke down. So this was another divergence. So RSI and moving averages are the most used indicators, very easy to learn and use, and then you can use them to help you to buy or sell profitably and actually beat majority of the market participants. So I hope you guys enjoyed this quick video on how to trade crypto like a pro, how to use technical analysis, and what is technical analysis. If you have any questions, post them below, reach out to me, and I'll see you guys in the video tomorrow.